Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight for you I'm going to try and pick this secure 2-lever, the Pheasant brand Padlock. This is, if I can get it in view, this is the key for it. So it is only 2-lever, but boy oh boy is it got strong. This is me just doing it gently. It's got a strong holder. And that's not because it's knackered or rusty inside. There it is, locked up. It's purely because it's really strong spring. I'm going to use a old school Andy Mack tensioner and an Andy Mack big one. Sorry about the quality of this. Doing it late at night and there's not a lot of ambient light outside. Anyway, you can see it does turn pretty much straight on, which I think Andy did in one of his other videos, said about another lock that does that. Not Padlock, but so there's one. And so we'll get him in the way of this. I don't know if I've got the right wire for this. Might be too long, but it seems to work when I do it. Finding the levers. By no means a quality lever picker, but I'm dabbling now. So there we go. Open. So there we go. Let's try and get this lot out. If you can see, no, you can't really see in there. Anyway, the Pheasant 2-lever secure padlock. Let's just show it working again. Locked up, locked, and locked again. Picked. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.